Yo, after months deploying the Golden Mammoth Pro V8.0 MT4 on my HF Markets Live account, raking 138% gains on gold with tight drawdown control, I had to laugh when a Telegram buddy shared his 79% monthly spike. Same Golden Mammoth Pro V8.0 MT4, crushing XAUUSD volatility for him too. I've ditched hype bots for this one's reliable scalping. Time to spill my tested secrets. Grabbing the zip folder, Golden Mammoth Pro V8.0 MT4, and extracting via WinRAR pops out the EX4 file, set file, and straightforward manual in seconds. I slid the EX4 into MT4's experts, restarted, attached the Golden Mammoth Pro V8.0 MT4 to XAUUSD M30, loaded the set file, and it was hunting trades right away. No hiccups, total ease. My FX book tells the tale. Verified on HF Markets at 1 to 500 leverage, kicked off August 2020 with $5,000 deposit, now $11,910 balance after $6,910 profit, peaking $15,604 equity with plus 138.21% total gain and absolute plus 138.21%. Daily 0.02%. Monthly 1.49% average, but spiked 79.73% in May 17. Equity curve mostly upward with quick recoveries. Win rate 95%, 1,049 longs, 1,105? Wait, 5,280 trades total. Longs 95%, shorts 95%. Elite for gold. Average win 26.31 pips, $11.18. Losses minus 33.18 pips, $10.94 via the Golden Mammoth Pro V8.0 MT4's spread/slippage shields and dynamic sizing that caps risks smart. Profit factor 1.27, returns $1.27 per dollar risked. Expect